Okay, what should we know about Rivian stock? Earnings is due to be released today after market close. Where do you think price is going to go? If you look at the price action in Rivian since we did our last video, which was right here on October 23rd, we were expecting the market in Rivian to go down. That's our current analysis. That's our current forecast, is for price to go lower in Rivian, right? We have this event that is about to happen today. This will definitely move price in Rivian. Given what we've seen thus far, do you think this event is going to cause the price to go lower? Or do you think the market's getting prepared for price to break out in Rivian? The overall trend, as we all can see in Rivian, is what? We are in an emphatic downtrend into the market in Rivian. Will this event, the earnings release, just cement this trend that Rivian currently is on? Did you come through and grab this first target area that we talked about? That is around 8.25% right now. Did you do that? Because we understand that there were buyers there. They came and successfully held price. They were even able to lift the market up here to $18 that we talked about as being resistance. All of this stuff we talked about. So to actually see it come to pass, it's kind of like, well, how did you know that? Because the market leaves us breadcrumbs every day. It tells us what the majority of the people were doing at certain prices. That's why we knew that this area around 18 would act as resistance in selling. And what happened the last couple of days? Price has gone down. It didn't take no indicator to figure that out. It didn't take no cheat code to figure that out. It didn't take no algorithm to figure that out. The chart, the price bars, the volume already told you this. Let's look at the chart for Rivian on the 2-day time frame. Okay, so when you look at this on the 2-day chart, look at this 2-day bar right there. Closing off of the high of that bar, it already tells you that the market got hit with selling at that price. There's more sellers there. That's why on this current 2-day price bar, the market in Rivian is currently going down. Now, if we don't see price go that low, this could be a spot to where the market is buying because they know that this event, this earnings release, is going to be positive. So they're just trying to get position. They're trying to accumulate as many Rivian shares as possible, because when the market closes and this information is released, the market will break up. What do you think? Here's Rivian on the 3. This is the last completed 3-day price bar right there. It's printed. Can't go back and change it. We saw the market close off the highs. So yeah, this is where sellers are. It is on the 5. Rivian on the weekly chart. Hold up. Do you see that weekly price bar right there? You saw buyers enter the market over the last week. This could be the start to what could be, off this event, a market move higher for Rivian. Hold up. Look at this on the 2 weeks chart. Again, it looks just like the weekly price bar. So the weekly time frame is looking a little bit more bullish. Hold up. And then you look at it on the 3 weeks. This 3-weekly price bar definitely is bearish. It combines with this one. So these 2 3-weekly price bars is telling you everything you need to know. It seems to me like the buyers gains control of price in Rivian from like maybe 2 3-weekly price bars, and then the next one it goes down. The buyers gain control 2 3-weekly price bars, market goes down. Here's Rivian on the monthly chart. Same thing, same story. Buyers gain control of price 1 month, next month the sellers get it. Buyers gain control the next month, sellers get it the next. So you would rationally think, okay, cool, obviously this has to be the buyer's month. Rivian 330-minute chart. This definitely looks weak right now. Okay, so for me, it is my analysis that I'm not going to change my price prediction. Not yet. And I do understand that buyers did enter the market off of the weekly chart. It looks bullish there. I get it. Market came and hit our target area. Buyers hit the market around 1550. I get it. It's mixed. The signals is currently mixed into the market in Rivian. But when you weigh what we've gone through in terms of price action in Rivian off of what direction the market overall is going, that's one reason why I can't change my price prediction yet, even though I do see that the market in Rivian could potentially go higher off of this earnings release, which is why we give you targets off our price predictions, because the market may not run all the way down to 14 bucks. It may initially come down a second time, hit $15.50, and then go back up higher, because this is not a relatively weak stock. You can see all the way back here in the beginning of the year, the market held off of the massive downturn. This is where the buyers stepped in. We're here again today. So it's not like I'm looking for a monumental crash. But that's what I'm going to leave it at right now. You guys see anything different off the chart? Let me know. Drop me a comment and tell me about it. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.